So this is how you will be getting the product if you buy it from Amazon, guys. I'll just open it quickly and I'll just show you what do we exactly get in this. So here I open this product. You'll get something like this from Tarkan. Yeah, let's just open it and I'll keep it over here. So guys, the things that you're going to get in this is this: the machine, the Tarkan, the USB to connect to this, the pad which can be attached at the bottom. I'll just show you while connecting it to the laptop. This rubber like structures to attach it to the exhaust, this called as the silencer, and these are kind of stickers to stick it. This is the box. Well, what's written over there? Brand logo, cool light and everything, fan speed and everything is written over there. Yeah, well, I'll just connect this to the laptop and I'll show you how everything works. Here we go. So guys, I have installed this product. See, you can see here we have the silicone rubber case. They have provided us with these 3 silicone. To mine, this is the perfect one, so I installed this to this laptop cooler and I will be attaching it here with this USB cable. I have connected it and gave power to this Tarkan laptop cooler. I'll just switch it on. Here you go, it's on. You can see the LED blinking inside and you can hear to the noise. This is the point from where the air comes outside, the hot air comes outside. Hot air from your laptop gets into this. This works as a vacuum cooler. So it definitely takes up the air, throws it out from this point, and that is how it tries to maintain your laptop temperatures. Well, so you'll be asking, how much temperature does it reduce? So I have been using it long duration of time, and the thing that I have noticed about this is that it can control about 6 to 7 degrees Celsius of your temperature. It will be reduced. That is what I have noticed through my laptop. Yeah, it definitely controls your 6 to 7 degree. That is, it reduces 6 to 7 degree Celsius, and that is pretty much okay, guys. And even the sound is not that much. If you could just hear this, that is it. That's the only sound. While playing game or while doing your something else, your work, you'll definitely be not be able to hear that sound because it is that low. It's quiet, actually quiet. And still, if you can hear that sound, they have provided us with this silencer. You can just install this silencer into that and you won't be able to hear even this sound. So how do you install it? See, at this point you just have to remove this like this. It has been removed and you just have to attach your silencer to this point right over here like this. And now we can see, guys, can you hear the sound? I know definitely it has been reduced to a lot extent, guys. So that is how the silencer works. If you want, you can attach the silencer. If you don't want, you cannot attach it. That depends on totally upon you. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you cannot. But overall, it's a good product. I will give this product a thumbs up. If you're a gamer, if you're a video editor, you should have one of this because it definitely tries to maintain the temperature of your laptop by reducing them by 5 to 6 degrees Celsius. That's what I have noticed. That's what I have been calculating. Here is the temperature. There you can see right now. It's trying to maintain it to the perfect level. So yeah, guys, link to this product will be there in the description section. If you haven't yet subscribed to BhushanDroid, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for the latest updates and few comedy videos, wines as well. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.